Hey, my name is Michael. I'm the founder of the Education Ecosystem. We are trying to build a stimulus for online education. So we are using our little token to kind of reward creators who create projects in our ecosystem. The idea we have is to kind of like create an ecosystem where people will learn about future technologies like cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, cryptocurrencies, data science. Our ecosystem is not focused on beginners. We are more focused on intermediates to experts. So you can imagine our ecosystem as stimulus for online education. And the way our token is used is one, we use our token to pay the people who create the projects in our ecosystem. Second, the people who subscribe to our content, they pay with our tokens. And third, we use our tokens also to reward people who create like applications on top of our API. So any developers that kind of like create mobile apps, plugins, bots in our ecosystem, we reward them with our tokens. Also, we reward all like people who help us with like community management, content quality assessment. We reward them also with our tokens. Our project is not completely new. We started off with a company called Live Coding, and that live coding was only based on programming, right? And what we did is like we saw there's a great opportunity to kind of capture a $360 billion market, and we kind of like tokenized our business model, right? And also expanded the number of topics we cover. So besides programming now, we cover cybersecurity, we cover artificial intelligence, we cover data science, we cover cryptocurrencies as well. So that's it about us. We are education ecosystem, and we are here at BlockShow. You can talk to us anytime you want.
So are you guys ERC20 or EOS, or are you on your own blockchain?
Right now, we are not on our own blockchain. We are using the Ethereum blockchain. We are an ERC20 token. But in 2 years, when we have built our own external ecosystem and our user base is huge, we will build our own blockchain. But for now, we are really focused on the core business aspects in building like our ecosystem partnerships.
You guys have a crowd sale going on right now?
We closed our cloud sale run already in January of this year. So we are done with the run one. We raised it about 10 million, and we are done with it right now.
Is the token on any exchanges if anybody's interested in?
Right. You can get our tokens on Bitforex. You can get our tokens also on Livecoin. You can get our tokens on Mercatos. You can get our tokens on Gate as well. So you can get our tokens on Bitforex, go on Bitforex, go on Livecoin.
Okay, cool. If they want more information, what website can they go visit?
It's educationecosystem.com.
Great. Okay, cool. Thanks.
Thank you very much.